Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So quick update. Um, as you can see, it still looks the same. No changes because of the bank holiday weekend and everything. I have not received all the parts yet. So hopefully it'll be here in the next 2 or 3 days. In the meantime, while I'm just waiting, I thought I'll just give a nice coat of paint to all the calipers. The brake calipers are quite rusty, so as you can see they are quite bad. So give a nice coat of paint and we'll take it from there. Let's get started. So if you're new to the channel and are wondering what's going on, I'll put a link in the video somewhere there, I don't know where. So click the link and you'll be able to see the previous videos. Also, if you're watching without subscribing, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up, and let's continue getting this wheel removed and then paint the calipers.
The year is
You guys are wondering why I'm using a multi-purpose cleaner. It's not, it's just recycling the bottle. It's a brake cleaner.
By the sounds I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So it's the next day. I've done the front calipers now, and I'm just gonna jack this up, put the axle stands, take the wheels off, and start doing these calipers now. So
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
ooh, that was kind of hard work. Just getting the rust off and everything. It looks nice now. I like it. Thank you for watching the video, and hopefully next week, Monday, Tuesday, all the parts will be here for the body panels and all the other things, and we can start building it. Like, I'm so excited. Also, the wheels are not gonna go back on because I'm getting the colors changed. It's gonna be a nice color which will go with the body, because I'll be wrapping the body once everything is complete, and I've never wrapped a car before, so let's see how it goes. hopefully it will turn out nice. But you're gonna see it with me, so we are gonna do it together. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. And it's only free, you don't get any charges for it, so please do hit the subscribe button there. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a lovely weekend.